Please pay Prince and Harry start.
Okay.
Prince.
I don't know how to say that. Do you remember this?
paella,
Paella.
That's Spanish. Okay. Paella.
paella,
Names.com.
how,
How?
how,
How.
Good. How? Okay. How? Prince How?
Prince How out of bed climbed the
No.
stump.
Yes, stumbled. How? Stumble. Why? It has. Yeah, stumble.
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 Okay.
To hit your foot on something when you are walking or turning, running, so that you fall or almost fall.
Okay.
I stumbled on the
Uneven pavement. Okay. The horse
stumbled and almost
fell. Okay.
Stumble.
Stumble.
Okay.
Fall.
Okay. Stumble. Okay. Almost fall. Stumbling
Around the dark room. Today was the day of the royal
Good. Parade.
And he needed to get dressed quickly.
Good.
His father was expecting
Good.
him at sunrise.
Yeah.
And
How?
did not want to disappoint him.
Good.
Hal hoped that is this early meant that he was ready for more.
Okay, it's not a move. Okay, it's more. This is move.
More.
You see, that's a difference. Move, more. Okay. More.
Oh yeah.
Tasks. Yes, tasks. Okay, good.
As Hal rushed to his shoes and he remembered all the times his parents had to wait for him. What would his father say if I was late again? He said, rushed out the castle. The sky was beginning
Good.
to light.
Lighten.
So he knew he needed to take the shortcut
Good. Shortcut.
in order to make it in time.
Okay, doing the shortcut. Okay. Shortcut. No. No, I really don't know. Why? Okay, anyway. What's that? No.
Stumble. Stumble. Stumble.
Trip.
Okay. Okay, I spelled. Louder. Okay, we need to record short so later you can hear it, right? Shortcut.
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 Okay.
A shorter, quicker, or easy way
Easier.
to get to a place.
Okay.
Shortcut.
Shortcut. Wait, I know a shortcut. Turn left here.
Okay.
Shortcut.
Shortcut.
Okay, spell.
SHORTCUT. Shortcut.
Okay, shortcut. Okay. So he want to take a shortcut. Okay. So he knew he needed to take the shortcut in order to make it in time. Okay.
How?
That means quickly. Okay. Darted here. Dart. Yeah, that's dart. It's a noun, but when you use a verb, it means quickly do some move.
Shortcut.
Okay.
Shortcut.
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 Shortcut. We took a shortcut home.
Okay.
Dart.
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 Dart. Verb.
No. Okay. With a thunder movement. No, just move. Yeah, here.
Move with
Thunder speed.
Dart.
Okay, can I spell?
DART. Dart.
Okay. Her darted
past shopkeepers.
Good.
Shopkeepers setting out baskets and
Villagers. The people who live in villages.
Villagers
Calling. Villagers
Calling.
Okay.
Villagers calling.
Okay. Villagers. Villager. Yeah, no. Okay. What's that?
Dart.
Dart.
Tap.
Dart.
Tap.
Dart.
Tap. To move with sudden speed.
Okay, that. Okay, what's that? Vintage.
Villager.
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 Villager. A person who lives in a village.
Vintage. Okay.
Villager.
Villager.
Which you see at R, it becomes a person. Villager. Okay. Villager calling. Villagers calling.
Calling. Good morning. Just before he arrived at the parade grounds, he stopped at a villager's wagon. Hey, hey, on this its side.
Okay, lay on its side. A wagon lay on its side. Okay. So wagon lay on its side. No. 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 So okay, you turn it over. Okay, turn it over. A region. A wagon, a villager's wagon lay on its side.
Vegetables and packages were scattered across the road. The villagers' children rushed to gather their belongings, while the villager suggested struggled
Good.
to
Lift.
the wagon back up.
Okay. What's that?
Suggest.
Okay. Struggle. I think it's a struggle. Oh yeah, struggle. You see the big difference. Suggest.
Suggest. Struggle. Suggest. Struggle. Suggest. Struggle.
Okay. So struggled. Okay.
To lift the wagon back up. Right. Hall knew the sun would appear any minute.
Because his father expected he will be there on sunrise. Okay.
His parents were probably already waiting by the field. Then Hall remembered something his father often said. Kindness is the greatest
Crown. Okay. The king wear a crown. Yeah, that's crown. Okay. Okay, kindness the greatest
crown you can wear without
another
hot house stepped forward. He grabbed one side of the wagon and pushed with all his might.
Okay, power horse strength.
It slowly flipped back onto its wheels. Then Hall began.
Okay, let's stop here.